One of my favorite things to learn about trees is that they didn't evolve from a tree common ancestor. Trees evolved convergently, meaning tree isn't really a taxonomic group, it's more of a niche. In botany, it's called a habit. It's like if we had a group called the flyers and it just included everything that could fly. They're based off of certain traits instead of a genetic relation. So then what is a tree? Well, that is a really complicated answer, and there's probably someone out there who could talk about it for hours, but that is not me. The most simple definition is they need secondary growth. Instead of just growing up and down, they need to grow wide in diameter. That's why trees have rings, it's their secondary growth. It's just like a really complicated way of saying, hey, look, this thing is made out of wood. It also needs to have one stem. If there's multiple, then it's just a shrub or a bush. Some like to define it by it has to have like a minimum height of like 10 or 15 feet, but I'm a strong advocate of size doesn't matter, king, so fuck that rule. Most famously, you have trees that are angiosperms and conifers. Conifers are gymnosperms. Conifers produce cones. I'm sure you could have seen that coming. Cones are what hold the seeds. They come in all different shapes and sizes. They're also known for their needle-like leaves. Conifers are your Christmas trees. Angiosperm trees, on the other hand, are the flowering ones. They use flowers to make fruits that hold their seeds. They're like the main thing that you think of when you think of a tree. So yes, as uncomfortable as it makes me, acorns are fruits. I don't really know how to end this video, so palm trees aren't trees, they're palms. And banana trees aren't trees, they're herbs. So I guess that would make bananas berries?